In this video I'm going to show you the Harbor Freight US General 30-inch 5-drawer mechanics cart. I needed something to organize my tools a little bit, and they were having a sale, so I took advantage of the sale. Enjoy! Alright, so what this thing has is, you gotta get it up, so, man, it almost does it on its own, you know that? See? So it catches a little bit on this side though, but very nice. So, I just preliminary putting sockets in this top one. I kind of like these organizers where it tells me what the size is of the sockets. And as you can see, I'm missing a few, and that's what my frustration has been with my tools. So this hopefully will help me get better organized. So they have these little latches right underneath here to undo them. And they come with this black soft liner, so you don't have to buy liner for it. And honestly, I am pretty impressed with this product. As you can see, all my stuff I can organize. I'm always looking for a screwdriver, so that's nice. Bigger sockets, I don't think I'll keep them here, but just for right now. Then they got bigger drawers down here. I got my torque, just some odds and ends. And then a bigger drawer down here. And then down in the bottom, putting some of the power tools. Comes with 4 casters, 2 of them pivot and lock. The other 2 are just stay in place. And it's got a little side tray that it comes with. So I figure I'll put some of my lubricants and stuff there. But overall, I'm pretty impressed with this cabinet for being something from Harbor Freight. And as you can see, I got labels. I noticed these in a Sears one day when I was in there exchanging a broken tool, and I saw these and I'm like, wow, I used to use a label maker for that. So just figured I'd show you guys what I'm going to be putting in this garage. So hit like, subscribe, all that good stuff. Alright, we'll see you next time.